Hi everyone, this is Ravi Guduru. Today we are going to be discuss about how to add cache to existing process for holding required data for some time during the process execution and how to utilize the same within the process or in sub process during the execution. So as part of that, I already created one process with the required start shape and connector shape. In the connector shape, I use disk space, disk connector. In the disk connector level, I've taken local directory to get the files, and action is get, and operation is source operation. It will be collect all the files from source, and that files will be processed and moving into cache document cache for future use during the process execution. Okay, before dig into the document cache, let me brief about what is document cache and how it will be useful. Okay, so the main document caching and document cache component are part of advanced workflow and are available only in professional and enterprise edition of integration. Okay, so document caching lets you add document to cache and then refer them later in process or in sub process. This means you can look up and hold data in memory and refer the data when you need it in the process. Okay. So this will help you to avoid making multiple connector calls to an application with a single process in order to look up different types of uh, information. Okay. So document cache can be stored among parent and child process. You can add a document to the cache in the parent process, and those documents are available in any child process also. However, the document cache is temporarily documents remains in the cache only for single execution of the process, either in test mode or when deployed to production. You can also remove some or all of the documents from the cache during the process execution if you want to resume the same document cache. Okay, so let's see. So this is the theoretical information about document cache. Let's see how to add document cache and move these files into document cache. So now here I'm taking document cache, drag and drop, giving the name add cache and document cache operations. Let's add here. So here we can go with the cache by profile. We could see multiple profiles like database, EDA, flat, JSON, XML. In these examples, I'm going to be take XML format and profile. So what if you have a desired profile, so we can choose that profile to process these documents according to our requirement. Here I'm importing that, choose file, profile, next, finish. So these are the components being added in the profile level. Okay. So after that, you can choose that, add index based on the index of common values among the XML file. If you want to filter particular documents based on the component ID, something index value, something example, ID, name, designation, something. We can use anything. Here I'm going to add index value. So I'm using ID as index value. Okay. And add to element key, add document property. When you click this here, it will be list the profile component as index. So we can choose the among them and try to filter based on the parameter value. Since it's loading, save. Once it is load properly, the profile file, it will be, list the values. So here, let's wait for some time to load this. As the initial write, it will be take some time to collect from the cache level. Yeah, here it will show. Now I'm selecting ID. Okay, again okay, save and close. So now document cache has been added for this. Uh, Let me run the process first. Save and link this to document cache. Successfully uh, connection is established. Save and test. So here I'm executing on my local Atom because that I'm fetching that files, profile files from my local desk only. That is the reason I'm choosing here Atom from local. Just run. Now execution is completed successfully. Let me check the source. These are the data from the source. It will be collected around 14 files. Let me check the same for 14 files are there because all the files are having ID details. So it should be have the same count here. That's it. This is the way we will be move that value. I mean, with the data from one process to document cache to use the same data in the same process execution time for different shape level, and we can use the same for sub process level as well as I mentioned earlier. So hope have given enough information for this. Thank you.